What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to pick a combination padlock using a paper clip. Let's do this. Alright guys, so what we've got today is a standard combination padlock. This one here is made by Master. We've got a 3-wheel and a 4-wheel. The process is going to be exactly the same. We can use a paper clip. All I've done is simply bend one side out, so I've got that as straight as possible. And if we have a look at the top of the padlock here, hopefully that'll focus. You'll notice there's a little hole right there where the shackle is. So right where that shackle is, there's a little hole, a little opening, and we're going to put our paper clip down that hole. If we have a look on the other side or the other padlock, exactly the same hole along the shackle. What we're going to do is we're going to take our paper clip, put it down inside that hole as far as we can get it. And then what we're going to do is just simply tap. You can hear that tapping noise. What's happening is the paper clip is tapping against that first wheel. And what we're going to do is turn those wheels one by one, click it over, and wait for that paper clip to drop down the next level. So what we're looking for is a gateway or an opening that's in those wheels themselves. Those openings or those gateways actually allow the shackle to open and close. So we need to find the sequence first. So if we tap on the top, and then we'll click these wheels one by one, and we've got that one to drop one level. We'll try again on the second wheel. And we've got that one to drop down another level. Last wheel to go. And we've got that one there dropped. So now that we've got that, this isn't the actual combination here. So what have we got? We've got 3, 4, 5. This isn't the combination that we've got here. The way we have to look at it is the paper clip that's gone all the way down that back side of the lock has found the gateway in this line here. So that means this is the current sequence of the code. However, what we need to do is, now that we've got the gateway on the back of the lock, we need to move these wheels over so that we've got the gateway on the side of the shackle. That's what allows the shackle to move up and down through that gateway. So what we have to do is count the numbers over to the side of the body. So what we do here is the line that we previously found was this one here. So if we count over 1, 2, so you can see on the second one there, if that'll focus in time, the second number is in line on the left side of the lock. Third number is on the right side of the lock. So it's usually either the second or third click. So what we'll do is we'll click these wheels over twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we'll try and open up that lock. Doesn't open, so in this case here it must be the third click. Once again, give it that one extra click, and we've now got that lock open. So if we have a look at the front here, the code on this one here was 012. So let's try it on the bigger padlock. This one here, what we're going to do is, rather than using a paper clip, you might not have a paper clip laying around at home. What I'm going to use is a sewing pin, just a standard sewing pin. We're going to do the exact same process once again. This one here is obviously a little bit harder to get a grip on. So I'll just try and get a good grip on that. And we can do the same process once again with the tapping. And we've got one drop there. We'll try the second wheel. And we've got that one there to drop once again. Third wheel. We've got it to drop once more. Lucky last wheel. And we've got that one finally down. So the current code, or the sequence that we've got now, is this one right here, which is 4 9s. I'll remove that sewing pin out of the way. Once again, what we're going to do is count over to the side of the lock. I find it's usually either 2 or 3 clicks. So if we have a look from here, gateway's in line with the 9, so we'll count from here. 1, 2. So it's either 2 or 3 clicks over. So hopefully that'll focus so that you guys can see. Currently on 9, 1, 2 or 3 clicks over to the side of that lock. So we'll do the same thing, click it over twice. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Try out the lock. Must be the third one. And now we've got that code open. So the code here was 4 1s. So there you have it, guys. There's a few different ways to open up the combination padlocks using either a paper clip or even a sewing pin. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You might have a few locks around your house that you can actually try this method on. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.